Hi everyone, this is Pancho here. Just been here at Hornsby BMW. We've actually run a session on the brain science of appointment setting. It's all about getting more appointments, working with orphan clients, working with clients who have broadcast before, going out and getting new clients and understanding the discipline of actually getting appointments. But one of the things that I've found, and I experienced it because I owned a call center for over 15 years, is call reluctance. And how do I get people performing when they're not feeling like they're going to make the phone calls? So I developed what I call the easy method, and there's a lot to it, but the gist of it is that we look at this way of understanding how many calls can we ease ourselves into the calling, how many calls are acceptable that we would say, hey, yeah, we could get to there, and what would be a stretch if we were to go up further, and how could we really hit our purpose of, making ourselves targets, which is the why, which leads to extraordinary results. So it's actually a way of slowly moving towards your targets. The reality is some days that you are on and some days you don't feel it. And what you need is a strategy that sort of helps you move the momentum, get you into that frame of mind, because you might find that you make 2 or 3 phone calls and you feel better and you go, right, gee, I can do a bit more, and I can do a bit more. Often people expect that everyone should be 100% on. That's not reality. That's not how life works, and I've utilized this method in many other aspects of the sales psychology training that we actually do regarding managing stress, managing objectives, outcomes, etc. If this is of interest to yourselves and you want to find out how you can get your team setting more appointments, send me an email or contact me through LinkedIn.